Hi Daniel. Again, it's a simple mistake where you do a little bit extra because you think you have to, and it's just basically correct. You've decided to take all your x's to this side, which I reckon is the preferred way, so that you've got your positive x's. Therefore, you had to get rid of the -9. That's correct. And you get now. Here's a step that you need to understand. If you divide by a positive number, then don't change the sign. So if you don't change the sign, in other words, reverse that to that bit, you'll end up with x is greater than -2, which is what that is. But remember, instead of reading left to right, we have to read right to left, and you'll have x greater than -2, and there you'll be correct. They are correct in doing that because they did the opposite. They went and brought it to this side. Yes, they had to change the sign around because they divided by -3. Only change the sign when you divide by a negative number, the x term. And so there we have it, a very simple mistake. Only change the sign around if you're dividing by a negative number. Cheers. Keep up the good work.